Hi, I'm Miss Carla. Today we're going to do some flower art. But first we're going to get started by I'm going to tell you exactly what you're going to need for this project. You're going to need a piece of paper, some liquid glue, a paper plate, scissors, a paper towel roll, and a green marker. Okay, so let's get started. First, what we're going to do is you're going to take your paper towel roll. You're going to go in about maybe a length of your top of your thumb to the first knuckle on your thumb width. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold it and kind of bend it, and you're going to cut the paper tube. And when you cut the paper tube, you will have something that looks like this. Looks like a ring. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue to cut the tube in the same size rings. You're going to do that 7 times. Okay, so you have 7 rings. So I did this previously, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take the rings and you're going to kind of like squish them so they kind of look like this. You'll do that for all 7 rings. Okay, that's done. Now you're going to take your liquid glue and you're going to take your paper plate. You're going to pour some of your glue onto your paper plate. Not a whole lot, because you really don't need that much. And you're going to kind of spread it out a little bit to make sure that you can fit your rings on there so you can glue them onto your paper. Just so it kind of looks like that on your paper. Okay, then you're going to take one of your rings, you're going to dip it into the glue, then you're going to take this and you're going to stick it onto your paper. So it looks like that. And then you're going to continuously take each one of them, and then you're going to press it right next to it. So then it looks like that. Then you go with your third one. Your fourth one. So it's starting to look like something. What do you think it's starting to look like? You have an idea? You can push them around a little bit before it actually dries. Okay, so now you have 6 of them glued onto your paper. It should look like this. Now, a correction from previously. You're actually going to need one more ring. You're going to need 8 of them, not 7. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so now, after you've done that, you're going to take your green marker and you're going to make a line from your flower It can be thin, it can be thick, whatever you want to, how thick you want to make it, or how thin. So then after that, you will have something that looks like this. And you take 2 more, you have 2 of these, and you're going to do the same thing, dip it in the glue, put it right by the stem, put the other one by the stem, then you'll have something that looks exactly like this. It's a flower. So after that is done, you can let your flower dry. Make sure all the glue dries. And then you can continue, you can do something else to add to this, which I did last night after mine had dried. You can take either whatever you have at home. I don't know if you have this at home or if you have maybe tempera paint or maybe some homemade paint or whatever. You can take watercolors and you can, after it dries, you can watercolor your flower. So then it can look like this. Okay. So that is our project for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.